This is Oliver Slope with Blue Line Futures coming to you from the floor of the CME here in Chicago with your grain market update. We got some pretty good export sales out this morning in corn and soybeans, but we sold off, and I think a large part of this was probably priced into the market, and you're seeing some long liquidation from the funds who have established a relatively decent size net long position in corn for this time of year. But this is a technical gift, I think, as far as the buyers are concerned. We filled the gap from November 30th. That comes in at about 376 3/4. We're using this as a buying opportunity on the first test. If we do break and close below here to round out the week, it opens the door for another 4 cents lower, which is a 50% retracement over the year. That's 372 3/4. But again, over the intermediate term, we like corn to the buy side. We think that the fundamentals remain relatively sturdy, and we can see funds step back in and be bigger buyers here in the new year. Now, as far as the soybeans are concerned, we're a little bit less optimistic, I guess you could say, keeping a close eye on January option expiration tomorrow. $9 is kind of the strike of interest that we're keeping a close eye on. A lot of times going into option expiration, you have the round number strikes be a little bit of a magnet. So that's what we're keeping an eye on there. As far as the fundamentals go, we've seen China step in as big buyers here as of late. The market kind of shrugging that off, as I think a large part of that was priced in here over the last 3 months when we've managed to rally $1. If we can continue to see China step in into the new year, I think that soybeans have an opportunity to break out to the upside. Now, wrapping things up with the wheat market, wheat really not that great of export sales, but we got a little bit of a bid, and I think a large part of that was a weaker U.S. dollar certainly helping. We also managed to hold technical support. That came in down there, 518 to 520. There's a trend line as well as the 50-day moving average. We like wheat on a longer-term basis, and one of the strategies we're playing is long Kansas City, short Chicago, looking for that to narrow up quite a bit and see Kansas City eventually go to a premium. So that's what we're looking at. That's what you should be looking at too. This has been Oliver Slope with Blue Line Futures from the floor of the CME.